Stop, eh? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lewamu and thanks for coming back here, darlings. I want to say thank you very much. And today I'm in the village setting, and the reason why it's because I am at our home and I'll just be showcasing you things here and there and how things are done here traditionally. Yeah, so expect those kind of video. The sun is out, as you can see. It's so bright, it's so light up, and I thank God for life, for to be up to this particular point. Okay, yeah, so currently we are struggling at watch time, but I believe that within no time you're going to surpass that watch time inshallah. It's kind of nosy in the river, so I won't be talking much because I find myself shouting when I'm there. And today I'm going to show you how we do outdoors showering here in the village. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome, or if you're not new here, welcome back. So yeah, come. I'm just giving you what I'm going to do, so that when I'm not talking in between those videos, you will understand. Okay, I don't have a mic right now and my voice is not so visible enough because the water is flowing, yeah, and I'm also talking, so I find myself shouting, and that's why I'll be doing it silently. Yeah, and many things. Yeah, so guys, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below. And by the way, guys, some of us were brought up by different settings in the village, and up to this particular time, and a friend of mine told me that I have a childhood trauma, because like they told me when I'm eating, like if there's ugali and vegetable and meat, I'll finish the vegetable, the soup first before I eat the meat. Is it a childhood trauma? Because I still have that behavior up to this particular point. Like really? Yeah. So this is how the village looks like. Yeah. It's also rainy season. So this is a maize. It's a El Nino season. Yeah. This is a guava tree here. And there's a river there, so there is where I'm going to shower from. Okay, yeah, so I'll be showering from this river, yeah, and it's flowing way down. Yeah, so be my guest, come with me to the shower. Yeah, so yeah, basically that's it. And I have a soap here. So unateremka polepole. Ama ungepika hivi. stop, eh?